Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the plank, a foundational exercise for building core strength and stability. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form, step by step. Begin by getting into a push-up position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your wrists aligned with your elbows and extend your legs straight behind you. This is your starting position. Engage your core muscles by tightening your abs and pulling your belly button toward your spine. This action creates a straight line from your head to your heels, maintaining a neutral spine. Ensure your shoulders are directly above your wrists. Avoid letting your shoulders sag or hiking them up towards your ears. This will help prevent unnecessary strain on your neck and shoulders. Hold the plank position for as long as you can maintain proper form. Focus on your breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Keep your body in a straight line throughout the entire hold. If you're a beginner, you can start with a forearm plank to reduce stress on your wrists. For added intensity, consider lifting one leg or one arm off the ground while maintaining a stable core. When you're ready to exit the plank, lower your knees to the ground in a controlled manner. This helps prevent any strain on your lower back. There you have it, the plank. An incredible exercise for building core strength. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep planking and stay strong.